Select Assets. Choose an asset to transfer. Here you are transferring fund to be listed on the market exchange. Enter the amount of token or select all. Click Transfer for token to be sent to Spot Wallet. Click the trading option to open the exchange under your pair. Change your action to sell. Change to market selling. Enter about of tokens to be sold by moving the line % amounts. Click Sell. You now have the exchange dust in your Spot wallet. From your Spot balance, you now send the funds to your main wallet. Click Transfer to send funds to wallet. Enter about to transfer. Select your asset to withdraw. Select the network chain you would like to receive your crypto fund. Insert your receiving address. Enter the amount you would like to withdraw.